Hello guys, in this video we are gonna create a coupon in our WooCommerce store. So this is how you create a coupon code for your WooCommerce. So here we are in WooCommerce and this is their own article. So the first thing you will have to do to set up a new coupon is go to your marketing and find coupons. Add coupon and the opening screen will present you with a coupon code with the description field. So you'll add the name and the description. So from there the general it's gonna be let's just say it's gonna be lucky 200, 50% discount on the first 200 customers. It's gonna be valid through October. So this is gonna be your coupon data, the discount type, the coupon amount, then allow free shipping and its expiry date and its usage limits if you want to. You can also do the usage restriction, which is gonna be the minimum spend, the maximum, and individual use, or if you want not to be, so it is going to depend on your store. You can configure it to your own liking, but it's just that simple. So here the usage limits, if it's only 200 and it's going to be checked out basically. So once they enter that, they will have the coupon actually proceeded to the checkout, which is going to actually discount them once they're ready checking out. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.